it is here politics no party no. We shall break the 8 no. We shall move it in can I say we jat was
Best I Akobio.
Okay.
As vice chairman.
Okay.
And one of the things I'm a person could be what to do to break the 8. It's one thing talking about breaking the 8, and another thing knowing and doing. Talking is one thing, and then knowing what to do and doing what to do is what is pushing me or encouraging me to do again. Apart from, other than that, the stresses and the pressure that man goes through, sometimes whatever, but the love for Ghana and country and your party. So you go and do your business and sit somewhere and enjoy yourself, or you at least help the party move forward, because I have a feeling, and most Ghanaians agree with me, that setback input to development, personal see a boa nipa na see a boa community, a boa crew, a boa nipa okromo. There is no political party that can compare itself to MPP. No political party for that.
Okay.
But we come in and it's like, what do we need to do for the people? And we focus there. Social interventions are a full time. Kufuor the buy, the head the oil. And I have this belief that Kufuor time no, second to me, in 2008, and you signed twice. Ghana kaya kwechiripa.
Okay, Chairman, Ghana kaya kwechiripa. Bana, Mama Fortaka say NPP 8 years social intervention. Na NDC so infrastructure, that's the development is no. It's a no share ampana.
There is no way NDC can compare their infrastructure to NPP's infrastructure.
Okay.
The entire Omoka, you see, there's one thing saying, and then another thing. Omo bizarre. Omoka should say, Omo circle intention. Omo kutoka, and Omo a hospital, regional hospital. And look at how much they spent. How much they said compared to how much we spend. The circle interchange alone, scum the year, the same amount today. There are 3 interchanges. Nyanke Twansu, Pokwasi Diwo, Tamadiwo, Abuche Bilamte. Go and see and look at how much we spending. And not only that, look at hospitals on CN. Ridge Hospital is about $400 million hospital. And they say, well, there are 400. And it's a 400-bed hospital. So they are telling you and I, and you are happy so much in Westfield, that each bed $1 million. You build a $400 million hospital that has 400 million. No, that has 400 beds. Do the math. And you go and shout it's our infrastructure. Meanwhile, that same amount, they say, Omodi circle, interchange in the answer. The one they can infrastructure, wow, one, and will be a year 3.
This year, quite competition between NDC and NPP.
No. The problem we have, you need to you pen to you need the day, but at least people see what we do. We have, well, I wouldn't say we have a challenge in communication, but there will be communication or propaganda. NDC does that a lot. And in the minds of people, almost say, oh my, and they said, who besides say, well, here, today, wherever you go, people are crying for roads. And they said, NDC for say, oh my, Japan.
Focus interchange, you know, Ghana for Bray, I can say, my social media, someone say Mahama and start say, because share some videos be Mahama any engineer no na oyoba na asamo kasa no mo trase focus interjudging if we so to me fra wash if ya say kosi ase banana ebeto aso ba Ghana for say credit nana ede NPP ede mano NPP aban de mano say ono na o share focus interchange na say eno no an wo say we ba ebi mu su kase mama na sha ase na his excellency nana do ebeto aso ti ampa na say no
that's what business question. And I wish said Cabo Bissam, Copoquas for no Bissam was saying, Sir, project we started a year back. Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, also software for Bamia, no, quite there, so ball from see a started project. Then Mahama Coco Gina say, a coach baby so on it, as I say. And this project, this thing, the newsmen were there. So I don't know why. This man is always well. And Chabaka says, "Oh, I used to grow up." Because and then many and I know what's a plan for food and job on a day. Free SHS on a start here. I did have call my free education for 1 night. Also on a day. What do you know? And you wonder. Anyway, Akufo-Addo and Nipa Ehunu Mahama. Nipa tie Akufo-Addo and Nipa tie Mahama. I don't know who is coming next, but the person has made himself known by what he does and what he says. See, that is what gives me the comfort. Say, with a little push, we can break the 8.
Chairman, with the break the 8, no. NPP, mu ye sure, simu betima breaki 8 no. Ako other term ana.
Yes, we are poised for that. Leadership as we sit, every plan, everything, free chairman, general secretary, we trust here what to do. President Kahon, Vice Kahon, trust here. The ebeye the sesi ye ama Ghana for nije ehunu say we are the best and there's no alternative. Is what we are doing.
Okay.
That is also why I said I'm going to contest again. Okay. Despite all the pressures I'm contesting again, and I know that by the grace of God delegates will party for Bejiatu. Ajuma de Akufo-Addo MPP yeyo. And first term the assembly akayo. We are just in the second term, first quarter, first quarter. We have about 3 years and more, 3.5 years to go. Ajuma and when they started to do DCs, they are now going to the field and they are now going to work. And so for somebody to sit somewhere and start bragging. Oh, first step, Rose, we are going to do more.